3 into here 1, 3 into here 4. Then we are left with 16 divided by 8 times 4. 16 divided by 8 will give us 2. Then we have 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. 8 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation. According to the order of operation, division and multiplication have equal priorities. So we have to solve our division first before solving our multiplication, which is working from your left to your right. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we have to solve 16 divided by 8 over 3 using the rule of KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 16, change division to multiplication, then flip 8 over 3 to 3 over 8. Then we multiply by our 12 here. 8 into here 1, 8 into 16, 2. Then we have 2 times 3 times 12. Now we are going to work from our left to our right, which is we are going to solve 2 times 3 first. 2 times 3 will give us 6. Then we have 6 times 12. 6 times 12 is equals to 72. 72 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.